Hello, good people. Welcome back to Global Happenings. Today, we're so excited to have you again. Still talking about Presidency come 2023, Igbo Presidency, and also the activities of separatists. A particular renowned personality who is incidentally the Secretary General of Igbo in the Southeast Asia has bare his mind on what will stop the activities of Nnamdi Kanu and other separatist groups in the Southeast and in Nigeria in general. And also in another development, Arewa has finally drawn the curtain on who to support when it comes to 2021 or 2023 election. Their choice is quite shocking when you get to hear it. We are going to be giving you these two news in a jiffy, but before we do that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly hit on the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get notification anytime we publish our video. Now, according to the news, the Secretary General Igbo, Mekong River Asia, Southeast Asia, Eze Ndubisi Kenneth Oti, Chinyere Ugo 1, Udo 1. On Tuesday said leaders of the separatist group will put aside the agitation and move on if Igbo presidency is achieved. In a statement obtained by us, the Igbo monarch urged Nigeria's political elites to support a president of Igbo instruction with regards to the 2023 presidential election. This, he said, will do separatist agitation such as the one led by Nnamdi Kanu. According to him, he said, let's give such group of persons a sense of belonging and they will reunite and can amend the broken bridges of unity across the country. With these, I believe that the leaders of the separatist groups will put aside their agitation and move on. Hear him again. He said, with this, I believe that the leaders of the separatist group will put aside the agitation and move on. Agitation for breakaway states in Nigeria are nothing new. The two most prominent separatist movements are Kanu's indigenous people of Biafra, which supports the independence of the Republic of Biafra by mostly Igbo people from the eastern part of the country, and Yoruba Nation, a southwest secessionist movement spearheaded by Sunday Adeyemo, aka Sunday Igbo. And also in another development, the Arewa coordinator, I'll take that again. In another development, the Arewa coordinator, Jonathan Dawo Network, Malam Isa Musa Kankasara on Monday said that drafting former President Jonathan to the 2023 presidential race is a national sacrifice. Musa Kankasara, in a signed statement that was made available to newsmen in Kanu, explained that the most populous country in Africa is at a crossroad, adding that we need a man of candor whose experience on area of self-discipline, national life to navigate us from troubled waters. Kakasara, in a statement titled Why Jonathan Candidacy is an Option for Better Nigeria, noted that our current situation at best can no longer be trusted in the hands of ill-experienced politicians whose contact and influence radiates with shallow boundaries. Jonathan is a quintessential statesman whose approach to exercising power and authority had in no small way both participatory democracy in Nigeria. At this auspicious time of our national life, we need a personality whose understanding of the polity will guarantee right to stability. Mr. Kakasara said nation building strive on inherent nationalism, self-discipline, and policies that identify limitation of the state power. He stated that Jonathan's commitment to nation building as exemplified over non-criticism of sitting and former leaders are pointers that his love for Nigeria is unique. Managing a secular state like Nigeria is certainly not for the loudmouth. We must recognize it's a job for a renowned team player like Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. Kakasara assured that we in the North were there for him before and we are set to mobilize resources to bring him back to continue national sacrifice. In effect, we call on Nigerians to join us in the quest for a better Nigerian. It looks interesting and it looks very cheap, some of the things that we have heard these two persons say, but I can assure you that it's not going to be as cheap as a lot of people think. Most people believe that if you garner the support of the Northerners for the pursuit of presidency, you're going to get it. But I feel that at this point, Nigerians are fully aware of what we are facing right now, and nobody will want to attribute a sentiment, ethnic sentiment, to whatever. Nigerians are ready to choose people who have capacity within them to turn around the narrative of this country. And now, first of all, let's just look at the issue of Nnamdi Kanu forgetting about the agitation for Biafra because of Igbo presidency. I can, based on some of the reactions and some of the statement we have heard thus far, I don't think there's any truth in that. Reason being that if you've been following the train of events, you will realize that the pursuit for Nnamdi Kanu, Republic of Biafra, is a personal ambition which he has sworn to strive and see it realized till the end. He never bothered it around if they give me presidency or give us presidency, we are going to stop it. These are just speculations on the part of these people. No one can said assuredly that when such happen that he's going to stop the agitation and all of that. These guys are looking for an opportunity to step out of from the shores of Nigeria and run a country that they will call their own, where there won't be any room for marginalization, there won't be any room for injustice, there won't be any room for fairness, and for many that is the only thing that will lift the face of the Igbos up again. But most people believe that if Igbo presidency is given, that surely they will reconsider their position in respect to the agitation. The question is, what's your opinion on this? Please do well to speak to us in the comment section. Do you think that if Igbos are given presidency, the agitation both in the southeast and also in the southwest will come to a standstill? Let's look at it. And then talking about the issue of breed, introducing Jonathan into today's politics, for me, I think it's an opportunity to reawaken old thoughts and possibly bring in one who has experienced it, but who may not have the capacity to change the narrative because of the carcass that is already on ground to give him the direction on where to go. Whether we like it or not, Nigeria has a lot of carcass, and these guys are regulators. They will use what you have done in the past to begin to regulate you. And I feel that giving it to Jonathan is not the right choice for the South. I feel it should be a fresh blood that will come in there with new ideas, with new understanding about leadership. People who have reasonable track record, not just having experience. People can have experience, but they don't have track record. We need someone who have both experience and track record of formidable and productive leadership. That's what we're looking for. Jonathan coming back to the scene, for me, is a one way of stripping the South of playing it twice, for their presidency. And it's another way of reintroducing what had happened in the past. These guys have all been given opportunity. Jonathan was part of it. He was given an opportunity to run the show for the country, but unfortunately, it wasn't productive as expected. My opinion is that a fresh blood should be reintroduced into the politics of today. Let's see if there will be a change. That's what I'd like to leave it. Go to a